Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the day 20 of our MS Excel journey and we are in the process of learning the MS Excel from the very basics. We have started with the learning of the formulas in the MS Excel and till now we have learned 2 to 3 formulas which are very basics and you could use it while you perform any activity or any work in the MS Excel. In the prior video, we have seen the use of the SUMIF formula where by using the sum and if function, that is, you are giving the Excel a criteria and according to that the Excel picks the sum of that based on the criteria given and gives you the result. There you have seen we have written certain arguments in the formula and got our results. Today we'll see some more functions which we could use in combination with the SUMIF function and get the result. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you never miss any learnings in this video and in the MS Excel. Let's go and see in the Excel what we'll be learning today. Now, this is the same Excel which we used in the prior video as well, and here if you see that in the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th question, we have got the result over here by using the SUMIF formula. And in the formula, we have used 3 arguments, that is, first from the basics till the day 15, we have written the range, that is, we have mentioned from where we want the Excel to pick the criteria, and at the second, we have mentioned the criteria, that is, we are looking for A, and at the last we have mentioned the sum range, that is from where we want to pick the amount to calculate the total. Now over here if you can see we have inserted the formulas for the range and the sum range formula, and in the criteria part, that is at the middle of the formula, we have typed the values over there manually and we have not used any formula. But I have told you in the prior video, we could use the formula over there as well and get the result. Now, to use the formula over here, we require the A to be separated from the data written in the B cell. That is, at the B cell, I have written total maintenance paid by a person which is staying in the flat section A. Now, in the formula, I just require A, B, C, and D going downwards. We do not require the entire sentence nor the any wordings other than A, B, C, and D mentioned over there. So how do we get this wording? To take that wordings from that formula, we have a formula in the MS Excel which you could use and separate the values from a given set of data. That is, over here, you should understand the pattern of where your data is present. If you see at the B column, you can see that A, B, C, and D are mentioned at the rightmost part of that cell, or that string, that is A, B, and C is present at the extreme right corner of the data, and so we are required to extract that data from there. So there's a formula in MS Excel called as is equal to, I type write and I press enter. Now it's asking for the text, that is, it's asking for the data from where I want to extract the values. Over here, I simply press this value, that is B7, where my entire sentence is written. And now if I write comma, it's asking for the number of characters, that is, from the right hand side of the data in the B7, how many number of characters do you want to extract? Here if you see, my A is written at the extreme right corner and there is no other thing which I want to extract, so I put just 1 over here, and now I close the bracket and now press enter. You see that only A is extracted. If I come over here, drag it till the down, you see that A, B, C, D gets extracted accordingly. Now wait, we have extracted the A, B, C, D part from the sentence from the data present at the B column. Now it's simple and easy. Now you don't need to put the values manually at the middle of the formula, that is at the criteria part. You just need to give a link or a reference to that part and your formula gets written everything by using the reference or by giving the link, and you are not writing any part or any part of the formula manually. Let's see how this will be done. We'll go directly into the Excel. Now if you see over here, I will come over here, take away this formulas, and I'll go to my first value. Here, as I told you, at the first part, that is range, I have written from where the Excel wants to pick my criteria, that is from my basic details at the D column. It wants to fetch the values from my D columns where the flat section is written. Now, coming to the criteria part, that is here I have written it manually. Now I have extracted the A part from my set of from the sentence present at the B column, and now I have to just give a reference to that. So I come over here and click to my E7 column, that is where my data is extracted, and now the formula is set and I press enter, and now it's done. Now if I want to autofill the function at the below mentioned cell as well, in the prior video you have seen that I have just put Control D, that is I have pressed autofill the function, and then I have gone manually and changed the criteria part over there. But over here you don't need to do such thing because the reference is given, and if you just double click over here, it's get the Excel autofills the formula and your answer is also derived automatically, because over here you are not giving the manual criteria, rather you are just giving a reference and it will be autofilled accordingly. You can see that you are getting the same result, and here by using the combination of a right and the SUMIF formula you are able to solve this problem. Hope this video helped you and you have taken the insight from it, that is you have used the right formula to extract any set of data from a given set of sentence or from any given set of data in your MS Excel cell or particular column. Now by using those formulas you were able to use the combination of the SUMIF formula and get the result. There are many more formulas by using which you could get the result, and you could use those formulas in combination of one and another. We'll look at it in the coming videos. Till then, if you have learned anything from these videos, like it, please do comment and share it with your friend who needs to learn MS Excel so that he could complete his work in an efficient and faster manner and get the result. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep smiling.